Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day 10 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge on Learn with Riaz. I am Riaz.
And I'm Emma. Reaching day 10 is an incredible milestone. We are officially one-third of the way through this entire challenge. Give yourselves a huge round of applause.
Absolutely, Emma. But before we jump into today's lesson, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a quick moment right now to click that subscribe button and tap the bell icon.
Yes, please stay connected with us. Subscribing ensures you never miss a single daily session on your journey to full English fluency.
Today, on day 10, we are continuing with our extended real-life role-play format. By practicing longer, highly realistic conversations, you build the actual vocal stamina and muscle memory required to speak fluent English effortlessly in real life.
That's right, Riaz. Today, we have mapped out 4 essential everyday situations: buying formal clothes at a shopping mall, asking a passerby for road directions, ordering your favorite coffee and breakfast at a local cafe, and answering key questions in a professional job interview setup.
Practicing these rich and detailed dialogues out loud will give you maximum confidence whenever you step out into the real world.
So, listen closely to our pronunciation and rhythm, and make sure to repeat every single line out loud during the short pause right after us.
Superb. Make sure that subscribe button and notification bell are clicked, and let me guide you straight into our first extended roleplay. Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Style Wear Clothing Store. Please let me know if you are looking for anything specific or need any assistance today.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much. I am actually looking for a nice, comfortable, formal shirt to wear to an upcoming important office event this coming weekend.
Right this way, sir. We just received our brand new summer formal collection yesterday afternoon. What specific color, style, or pattern do you have in mind?
I'm mainly looking for a light blue or crisp white button-down shirt. Oh, this light blue one right here looks really elegant and high quality.
Excellent choice. That is actually one of our best-selling formal designs this season. What size do you normally wear?
I usually wear a medium size. Do you happen to have a medium size available on the display rack right now?
Let me quickly check the stock rack behind for you. Yes, here's a medium size in light blue. Would you like to try it on to check the fit and shoulder width?
Yes, I definitely would. Could you please show me where the fitting rooms are located in the store?
Of course, the fitting rooms are located right at the back of the store, just past the formal shoe section on your left-hand side.
Thank you so much. Also, where can I find matching dark trousers that would go really well with this light blue shirt?
The trousers section is located right next to the blazer displays on the right side. Take your time and please let me know if you need any other size.
Thanks a lot for your wonderful help and guidance. I really appreciate your great service.
Excuse me, sir. I am so sorry to bother you, but could you please help me with some road directions for a moment?
Hello, no problem at all. Happy to help. Where are you trying to go in the city?
I'm currently looking for the Central Metro train station. Am I walking in the correct direction or am I completely lost?
You are walking in the right general area, but you actually passed the main turn a few minutes ago. You need to turn around and walk back about 2 blocks.
Oh, I see. So I go back 2 blocks down this main street. What should I do once I reach the main intersection?
Once you reach the main traffic signal right near the large city bakery, take a sharp left turn onto Grand Avenue.
Got it. Take a left at the bakery onto Grand Avenue. Is the metro station located right after taking that left turn?
Yes, exactly. You'll immediately see a tall glass building with a large blue metro sign on your right-hand side. You can't miss it at all.
That sounds very simple and clear. Is it close enough to walk, or would you recommend taking a quick taxi or local bus?
It's just a quick 5 to 7 minute walk from here, so taking a cab is definitely not necessary unless you have heavy bags.
That is extremely helpful. Thank you so much for your clear directions and your valuable time. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You're very welcome. Safe travels and have a great afternoon ahead as well.
Good morning. Welcome to Express Cafe. What fresh beverage or delicious snack can I get started for you today?
Good morning. I would love to get a hot cappuccino, please.
Sure thing. What size would you prefer for your cappuccino today? Small, medium, or large?
I'll go with the medium size, please.
Great. What kind of milk would you like in your coffee today? Regular whole milk, skim milk, or fresh oat milk?
I'd prefer oat milk, please. And could you make sure it's extra hot with a little extra foam served on top?
Absolutely, we can definitely customize that for you. Would you like to add a fresh pastry, warm cookie, or breakfast muffin to go along with your order?
Yes, a warm chocolate chip cookie or fresh blueberry muffin would be wonderful. What do you recommend today?
Our blueberry muffins were freshly baked less than an hour ago, so I highly recommend trying one of those while they are warm.
That sounds absolutely delicious. Let's add one fresh blueberry muffin to my order, please.
Perfect choice. Will this order be for here or are you taking it to go?
It'll be for here today. I'm going to sit at the corner table right near the window and work on my laptop for a bit.
Sounds very cozy. That comes out to a total of $7. How would you like to pay today?
I'll pay using my contactless credit card, please. Here you go.
Transaction complete. Here's your receipt. We'll call out your name as soon as your hot coffee and fresh muffin are ready at the pickup counter.
Thank you so much for the quick and polite service.
Good afternoon. Please come in, take a seat, and welcome to our company headquarters. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for inviting me for this interview. I'm very excited about this opportunity.
To kick off our conversation today, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your professional background and experience?
Certainly. My name is Emma, and I have over 3 years of dedicated experience working in professional digital marketing, content strategy, and customer relations.
That sounds impressive. What would you say is your absolute greatest professional strength, and how does it help you excel in your daily work?
My greatest strength is my strong communication skills, my problem-solving mindset, and my ability to stay calm, focused, and organized under tight deadlines.
That is a very valuable trait in our fast-paced creative industry. Why are you interested in joining our specific company for this role?
I've been following your company's innovative projects for a long time, and I really admire your creative work culture, team values, and constant growth.
Thank you. We take great pride in our team culture. Do you have any specific questions for me regarding the daily responsibilities of this role?
Yes, I would love to know what a typical day-to-day workflow looks like for someone working in this position within your team.
We'll cover the exact day-to-day workflow and responsibilities in detail during our second interview round. Thank you so much for your time today. We will reach out to you very soon.
Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. I really look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.
We have successfully completed all 4 of our extended and highly detailed real-life role-play conversations for today's session.
What a fantastic job, everyone. You have successfully completed day 10 of our intensive 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
If you enjoyed today's video and haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now so you never miss day 11 tomorrow.
Yes, stay connected with us. Also, make sure to type Day 10 Done in the comments section right now so we can personally review and acknowledge your daily progress.
Share this video with your close friends, family, and study partners so they can build their speaking confidence alongside you.
We'll see you tomorrow for Day 11 right here on Learn with Riaz. Take care of yourselves, keep practicing every single day, and goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Stay confident.